Good Monday morning. Can you guys guess what I'm about to make? Something that we probably all need, especially on a Monday morning following a holiday week. So I'm going to share all the ingredients with you and show you how I make my bulletproof coffee. We have MCT oil here. This is supposed to give you extra energy, and I always add it into my shakes or my coffees. You don't taste it. It doesn't change the taste at all. I've been using this instant coffee from Trader Joe's, which is actually really, really good. So when you don't have regular drip coffee, or I have an espresso that ran out of pods, this is a good backup. I also love this Honeyville Amaretto flavored natural honey. You can buy this online. They're out of Colorado, but I like to order them, and this is my favorite flavor, the Amaretto. They also have a lemon one that I like to use with my tea in the wintertime. I have the Trader Joe's Clarified butter or ghee. This gives it a rich flavor. I also love anything matcha, so I've been adding this matcha green tea latte. This one's actually almost out. I have another one in the pantry. I have my half and half. So you technically don't need to have creamer, and maybe you don't want creamer, but I love a good creamer, so I like to add a little bit of half and half. This I've been adding a lot to my coffee as well as to my smoothies, because we could all use a little collagen. It's good for your hair, your skin, your nails, your joints, and your bones. I'm mostly using it for joints and bones, and I'm trying to incorporate this more into Alexa's food. So you can put it into soups and things like that. You could drink it by itself. There's no flavor. It does change the color of tea though, which is kind of not so pretty. But if you blend it into your coffee, you would never know that it was there. And then here's my NutriBullet. So I am boiling some water right now. See, it's boiling. So I will show you how I make this coffee. Okay, I've got my mug here. So I'll just take a scoop of coffee grinds. I may add a little bit. These are actually pretty strong. Then I add my green tea matcha latte. This is going to be a little challenging doing it with one hand, but I've got the green tea matcha latte. I actually like a lot of this. We've got that. We've got a little bit of the collagen. Then I put some honey for sweetness. So we've got all the ingredients in there. The last thing I'm going to add is the clarified butter and the creamer, and then the oil. But let me get the water. Add the water, mix it all up. So the clarified butter is melted right now because it's summertime and it's warm, so you just need a little bit. And this gives it a real creamy flavor. And then the MCT oil, I just add a little squirt to it. That's probably more than I normally do, but I was trying to record at the same time. So we have our coffee, we have our collagen, we added honey, the clarified butter, my green tea matcha latte. Now I'm going to add a little bit of creamer, some half and half. You can use almond milk, you can do whatever you want. But I like a creamy coffee. I may actually add a little bit more of the green tea latte. Then what I do is I pour it into my bullet, and then we'll blend it. Okay, so I poured the mixture into my NutriBullet. Now I'm going to blend it. And I only blend it for about 30 seconds. But as you can see, it's all steamy and frothy. Oh my goodness. It makes for such a great cup of coffee. Okay, my mug is right here. And there we have a cup of Bulletproof coffee. Let's taste. Ooh, good, but hot. Woo! And there you have it. Cheers to your Monday morning.